Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect Coinbase to 3Commas, easy method. Open Coinbase and 3Commas in separate tabs, then navigate to Coinbase API settings to create a new key. Enable trading and read-only options as needed. Copy the API key and secret, then paste them into 3Commas API Manager. Confirm permissions, save, and test a small trade to ensure automated orders execute as expected. Start by creating an API key on Coinbase labeled for 3Commas to avoid confusion later. Choose only the permissions you need, such as trading, and avoid unnecessary withdrawal rights unless required. Copy the API key and secret immediately after creation because Coinbase may only show the secret once. In 3Commas, go to My Exchanges, select Coinbase, paste the key and secret, and run a connection test to confirm everything is working. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more practical crypto tutorials. Quick recommendation. For busy traders, I love leak-proof meal prep containers that stop spills while I check trades between errands, and they make lunch prep painless. It's a small time saver that keeps you focused. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and if you enjoyed this tip, hit like and subscribe now. Let's get back to the video. If something goes wrong, start with the basics. Ensure the API key and secret have no trailing spaces and were pasted correctly. Check Coinbase for any security locks, pending confirmations, or withdrawal blocks that might prevent API actions. Make sure 2FA and account verification are up to date, and revisit permission settings in 3Commas. When in doubt, revoke the API key, create a new one, and retry the connection with a small test trade to confirm functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.